Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood 446B Black. This is a replacement bumper only for the 446 series floor-mounted doorstop is what it is. And this video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item, and let's go over that now. The outside diameter of the unit, let's say we're at 1.432 on the outside. The inside diameter, I'd say we'd be right at about 0.788. The thickness of the item, 0.291. 0.291 is the material thickness. Okay. Now, let's switch to the screen view where we can take a look at some supporting information. So this is the item that we are here indeed looking at, and what's of note is that it's for the Rockwood 446 doorstop. Well, the Rockwood 446 is a floor-mounted doorstop, the very typical and common item. There's one variation of this. It's just this one size is what the 446 is. And it is 1.5 inches height. It's 1.25 inches base material is what it is. However, the item is actually this stop, this replacement stop, along with the gray version as seen here, is also available to work compatibly with other products. And let's switch to the link to the manufacturer's page as seen here and pull up other items that it would be compatible with. Now that link to the manufacturer's page will open and it will allow us to get to the architectural door pull catalog, and it's inside of this catalog is where we'll find the RM850, which is not the part number I was thinking of exclusively because it's compatible with others. But the RM850 is that 446, as is the RM851, RM855, and RM856. So that replacement bumper would work on all 5 of those models. Don't think it's going to work with any other models than those 5, the 4 here and then the original 446. So be mindful, it's not only for the 446. And this item is available in black, of course, and then gray. If you are ordering a stainless steel color or very likely satin brass, generally gray is going to be the standard color. If you want black, I would simply indicate in the comment field that you would like to have shipped this with, you know, black or gray color. If you're ordering this client happened to order the black suede powder coat version of the 446 stop. That's going to come with a black insert, but for some reason, if you wanted it gray, just indicate there and we'll obligate the factory to ship it accordingly, is what we'll do. Now, that link to the manufacturer's page as seen here, that's going to allow us to review not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, their core line, which would be typically trim and auxiliary hardware like flat goods of kick plates and push and pull plates, obviously pull bars, wall stops, floor stops, pivots, overhead stops, and holders they have as well, and a variety of other trim. They also have the link that which I had mentioned earlier, the architectural door pulls, which is a handy document because it will allow you to review not only those prior mentioned RM850 series stops and other related items, but 100+ pages of custom door pulls, etc. Let's wrap up this video on camera. In conclusion, the name Rockwood is synonymous with all things trim and auxiliary hardware related. This is just obviously a little piece part. We happen to have that 446 in the black suede powder coat. As you can see, they packaged it with a gray insert, which, you know, I would think that they would probably send that over in black. But nonetheless, let's not leave it to chance. Specify in the comment field, or like this client did, he literally she literally ordered an additional line item of the replacement bumper. So that's where it would go into. If you have any questions on the Rockwood 446B Black replacement bumper for those 5 models we'd mentioned previously, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.